Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create and use macros on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on the search bar, now search up Automate, now tap on install. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, accept. Now tap on the plus in the bottom right corner to create a new macro. And right now I'm going to create a very simple macro just to showcase y'all how this app works. So again, tap on the plus icon to add blocks, and we will add blocks like to check if power store is plugged in, and it's going to change the sound. So audio volume set, which is audio volume set, and at the end we need to add a flow stop. Now connect all of these blocks with each other. I don't think we need to change any options here, so just go back. We definitely need to change something here. We'd like to change to 44% audio stream system, show volume pop-up, and play test sound. Now just tap on save. As you can see right now, my system volume is set to 0. So yeah, I can turn everything to 0, right? And now I can also change the name of this macro. Tap on save. Now we can go back and start the macro. Now you only need to grant permissions, so tap on grant, allow, grant, select automate, enable and allow. Go back. It works basically the same with everything, so just tap on grant, okay. And now go into the not sure what am I supposed to do now. I haven't read was there no restrictions. Yep, so battery saver and no restrictions, okay. No, that's not it. Okay, just tap on forget, and now it has already been started. So let me take my charger, which should be somewhere here. Alright, and now let's see if this thing has worked. So let me plug it in. Oh, I think it may be a problem because of the animation that just, yeah, but like if I will try to okay, just to prove that this thing works, I will go back here, tap on this, and audio volume set to 100. Tap on save now. Maybe not system but ring. Okay, ring, no, maybe music, right? Now let's try if this has worked. So start, and as you saw, it was set to 0, and now we will try to, no, it's still at 0, but the ring has set it to 100, so we will try to, as you can see, it is mute right now. And if I will plug it out and plug it in, and now if I'll, you can wait, let me try, start, plug it in, and now if I skip this animation, you can see that the volume has been changed. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.